Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Traders Hunt series. And my name is Success Subana, your host on this Traders journey. So today we'll be discussing some serious market matters, right? Some matters arising in the market, and we all know what these matters that are arising. The cross market crash across all markets, right? Market crash, market is crashing, 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 crashing. So what's going on? I've been getting a lot of messages, a lot of blessings, my success. My stocks are down, my crypto portfolios are down, my the forex market. I don't understand what is going on. My everything is looking, bro. Haha. Everything is looking. We can't. I might not check out the dictionary, right? So what is going on, right? What should we be expecting, and what's next, and how can you make the most of this season, right? What is going on? So if you're watching my videos for the very first time, you're having some of these many questions in your mind, you're asking, you don't know what to do, your portfolio is crashing, everything is looking crazy. Like I see, it's more like you woke up Monday morning and you're poor, right? Your portfolio is showing you that you are poor, like you don't grade, right? It's showing like you don't grade. So what's next? What can you do and all that? So I'll be asking all that questions and giving you all the lights you need, all the green lights you need for you to make money even at this crisis. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, please ensure to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment, because I am sure by the end of this video there will be so much for you to take home, right? There'll be so much I have for you today. So today it's me and you. So before I go into the nitty-gritty of this business, right, I need to give a shout out to the Forex master students, the crypto master students, and the synthetics indices mastery students, right? And also I need to also say that these students are my mentees, right? These are guys I teach, I coach, and I guide into being profitable traders, right? They get to sign up with me for a token, right, of $200, and for the period of 3 months, I get to cook them. I get to cook, mold, and make them into profitable traders, right? We've had a lot of series of testimonies of people, students who are doing amazing way for themselves, people who have been able to complete their house project, people who have been able to pay bills, cater for their families, cater for their old parents, cater for being able to meet up to some daring edge uh, challenges that we are financially demanding. And thank God, because of this program, a lot of them have been doing so well for themselves. So if you really want to record these testimonies, you really want to do this market, take this market seriously, I advise you sign up for the Forex Master Program, or the Crypto Master Program, or the Synthetics Mastery Program. Either of these market, or even all of them. If you guys sign up for all of them, better for you, right? It means more options for you and more money for you, right? I need to say this, right? I also need to say this, that a lot of you guys have seen me talking about my books a lot of times, but then these books are very important, right? So the reason why a lot of you guys have complications around your journeys is because a lot of times you guys ignore some of these books that I mentioned for you guys to get, right? I've authored a couple of books, about 6 books. I've authored about 6 books. And 4 of these books are strictly around about the financial market. 2 are all around personal development. And the reason why I like to write about the personal development is because, right, that is, you need you the market, right? You can only make money and keep money to the degree of your self-awareness, and the degree of how much discipline and how much shaped your mindset is, right? So the thing is, the market, what you do in the market is a reflection of who you are. So to paint a better picture of your person, you need to be mentally, right, psychologically developed, right, shaped, sharpened to handle a lot of dramas that happen in the market. And this is why I like writing books around personal development, right? So I advise you get these books, all my books. If you can get all my books, it's not expensive, right? It's not expensive, right? Less than 40K, I think less than 40K should get you all my books, right? Less than 40K should get you all my books. So if you really want to get these books, please send me a WhatsApp message. Also, you want to sign up for my programs, my trainings, send me a WhatsApp message from the description section. You get to see my WhatsApp contact, where I get to schedule with plan your classes with you, and we get you started and get you ready to take this market, right? So that's the business of the day, which is what is next, right? What's next? What is next, right? We haven't the matters arising right now is that market is crashing. That is matters arising, right? And which is my topic of discourse. Matters arising, market is crashing, and what is next? What can you do? What should you be doing, right? What should you be doing at this time, right? Because it's important to understand what you do so you know, right? There's something about the sons of uh what was the Bible calling this? Isn't the sons of Issachar, right? They had understanding of the times. I talked about it, like they had understandings of the times and season to know what to do. Right? They're able to design what to do per time. So one of the things you need to understand as a trader, you need to design when to do what and what to and when to do what and what to do per time in the market. So you don't get blown out of the market, right? So if you really want to be sustained, we really want to last long in this market, right? You must be able to design, understand the story the market is telling, right? And being able to design to help you position correctly in the markets, right? So some and sorry guys, right? So being able to understand when and how to position yourself correctly in the market is key to winning in this space. Right. So I'll be going straight to the business of the day, which is the XY. Right, which is the XY. I know all of you guys have been shouting the XY last all through last week. Today is just Monday. But we as the last time we talked on Monday, last week Monday, the XY was still playing around this area, whether it wants to go up or down. And I was telling you guys to chillax, to wait, right? So this let me call it from a daily time frame. So as at last week, Monday that we were talking, price was around here. Yeah, this was okay. This was Monday last week. We were playing around this area, and I was because of this double top, it was eminent where it was eminent that we were gonna crash, but it was also the third touch of the trend line. So we are just on the 50-50 thing, right? So we needed a clear break, and we had that thanks to NFP on Friday. NFP on Friday gave us that break, right? NFP on Friday. Let me show you to you guys. Let me show you to you guys. So you see. So this was Friday NFP. This was Thursday. It looks as okay we are playing around this area, but NFP just came and clear showed us that took us directly to what the market is supposed to be doing. So the business, right? Although yes, I understand that between you guys that the Democrats, for instance, were trying to keep things up to look as though okay they are painting a good picture of the market, but for how long can they sustain that? So that is not sustainable because I know at the end of the day, your fundamentals would only play out, will only manifest what the technical is saying. That's what fundamentals do. To manifest what technicals is playing out, what the technicals playing out. So technically, you'll be seeing it clearly that we had a double top on the weekly time frame. That is clear, and from the higher time frame, we're having a double top. You are in the neckline. So what next is a drop, and that happened big thanks to NFP. And you can see today Monday is just Monday, and it's looking as though we're having a whole weekend already, right? So I believe the market is the week is still very much young. The month of August is still very much young. Although I must say this that oftentimes the month of August is usually red across the whole market. So it's not surprising for me. Right? It's not surprising that we are seeing August being red because it's typical of August. Month of August to be red. If you check it from time past, August, the month of August has always been red. Right? The month of August has always been red. Right? This was I'm coming, let me see. This is weekly time frame, okay. In June, July. I'm trying to check out some things for you. Right, okay, this was still all this drama we are this year. Anyways, all these dramas we are this year. December, November, October. Let me see this. Okay. All right, so I was just trying to retrace. I think I'll do that around equities. When we're looking at equities, I'll get to look at that for you guys. But this is the XY, and you can see the market is currently pointing south. But What is the drama? Because naturally, when the XY is pointing south, it means we are supposed to be having a healthy market, right? So why the discrepancies? Why the discrepancies? Because we need to be clear. Because every time you say the XY is inversely proportional to the market. So when the XY is bleeding, we are expecting that all equities, all markets should be madly bullish. Everything should be rushing back up. Crypto should be rushing up. Stock should be rushing up. Everything should be rushing up since the XY is showing weakness. Since you're having a very strong, weak dollar, right? It means uh, right? It means uh, the market should respond in opposite to the strength of the dollar, right? So if you're having a stronger market, since you're having a weaker dollar. So what is really going on? Now, I must say this that these discrepancies we are seeing, right, is just a reflection of the current economic cycle. Right? There's this new cycle that the market is going into, right? So I wouldn't want to say this clearly. I don't want to be so clear about that here, right? But the market is creating a new cycle that might might be what would the entire market environment, market system will run for the next 50, 100 years. That's the truth. We are witnessing a shift that is new, right? Civilization issue that is new, and this shift is going to be for the next 5 decades, 10 decades, right? I think that it's something like 10 decades. That's 100 years, right? But I say 10 decades. I mean 100 years. So fine. I think that's okay. So we're going to be seeing is some serious shifts, right? Some serious shifts going on around the market, right? Going on around the market. What I want to stress on that shift, right? And maybe I might do another video to discuss that shit. But to make it a little bit, maybe to make this a little bit sensible for you guys, is to see that we are approaching the Q3, Q4. Let me use that concept for you, the Q3, Q4 concept for you guys. So if you've gotten my book, the technical playbook for Forex traders, or you've gotten my book on price and time, right? Where I share the spreadsheet for you guys. Now, you understand that I talked about how some of the best periods to trade the market, and one of the periods I call the worst times to want to trade the market aggressively, right? Is the Q3 and Q4. Is the worst. These are the worst times to be aggressive on the market. So if you're trying to go aggressive on the market this season, you're only going to get yourself burnt, seriously burnt. So this Q3 is a season that requires you to be a lot more conservative, a lot more careful, right? A lot more. Because this is not the season to be hasty, to want to rush, right? And also very important. Also, I must say this, right? Stop assuming reversals. I see a lot of you guys trying to buy, maybe especially on JPYPS. You're only gonna get yourself burnt, right? You don't want let the market show you clearly, commit clearly on major zones. I know I'm saying emphasizing this. On major zones, let it come. Let's see that those reversal patterns before you assume reversals and strike. If not, flow with the trend. If not, just flow with the trend of the market. Like, and then if I trade the XY personally, for instance, trade the XY is at the moment, there is nothing that is going to make me buy the XY around these areas. If I'm ever going to think of buying, it has to be around this area. Or if I'm ever going to think about buying. So from here, I know the momentum is with the sellers. This guy's going to keep pushing down. So I'm going to look for her to short this dude. Right? I'm going to be looking for how to short this dude. Right? So it's important to understand some of these simple technical concepts. So when you see the fundamentals playing out, you're able to compare, contrast, and see, okay, this is what you should be doing. Right? So if there's one thing I must say is stop trying to chase. You see market is dropping massively, you want to just enter. You want to start, they say buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. You want to go and no, you want to go, you're buying the dip is going deeper, you're buying the dip is going deeper, right? You're buying the dip is going deeper. There are key levels, there are important levels that the market needs to get for you to buy. Right? You don't just buy at every level, you also wait to see key patterns. Right? Some of these patterns are shared with the Forex master students and with the crypto master students. So they know when it's until these patterns are formed on the prices at this level, these patterns are formed on this time frame, then it is okay to strike. If not, we ignore. Some of these things are clear. But a lot of times we just FOMO, we are like the fear of missing out. You want to catch, you want to those you know those your funny kind of entries you call sniper entries. Right? Just for your funny, you want to catch the tip, you want to catch the very, very tip. It doesn't always end well. Right? It doesn't always end well. Like I always say here, it's better to enter a little late than to enter prematurely. Right? It's better to catch the trend a little late and flow with it than to try to enter prematurely and you get hot, you get burned. That's what a lot of you guys have been doing this period. The market would always manipulate, always don't worry, always play games with your head, play games with your mind, but don't shiver. Right? So this is the XY. Clearly, nothing is stopping price from getting down to this level. There's a breakout of this area where the price is going down. This is although the day is just Monday, I feel there might be just some pullbacks and we're gonna still drop. Right? Those pullbacks are just to give you good opportunities. This is the daily time frame. Today is Monday, right? This was Friday NFP, and today Monday we are still going down, but there are some pullbacks and all that. So let's say 4 hour time frame to see what is really going on. And this is the 4 hours time frame on the XY, and definitely price is crashing down, and nothing, like I said before, is going to stop price from getting to this level. Nothing. I don't see anything that's going to do that. Just like it might not be an easy, but it might want to give some funny struggles and funny drama before it goes up. But I feel it's going to still get to this level. That's going to happen, right? So let's also see JPY basket. Now JPY basket has come to a very important level for me, right? Which is this. You can see for the past weeks. This is JPY basket. We've been inside this channel. We went into this channel now. We touch this trend, this top, this trend of the channel, and price seems to want to reverse or retrace, right? So we want to see, but again, do not be in a hurry to enter. Wait to see clear patterns form to show you that this guy is actually going down before you strike. So don't start buying, rushing to buy JPYPS yet, right? Even if it's looking like okay, let's buy. Is this? I know some of you will say, okay, this is an evening star, 4 hour time frame, blah 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 blah. There was the same evening star here, and what happened? Michael rejected it. Although that was not around a major area like what we have here, but best still, like I said, it's better to enter a little late than to enter prematurely. There are some more confirmations that needs to be done to validate that there will be a reversal from here, and to validate a reversal from this area. So we need to see those things happening, and they are not happening yet. So I need to see those things. I need to see those signs, those reversal patterns. They need to happen for me to take this out. So because if you know how crazy it is with JPYPS, how dangerous JPYPS can be, trust me, it's the last pair you want to hurry to jump into. Trust me, if these JPYPS are the last pairs you want to hurry and jump into. Right? You need to wait, you need to be patient, you need to see it build. You need to see the build up, the setup matured, clearly matured before you strike. If not, it's not my mouth you hear. You will not before you start realizing how to cry on your account. Right? So that's about JPY. So let's look at Euro USD. Right? Let's look at Euro USD. So the market crash, Euro USD being always let me clear small. All these many lines we have here are no longer necessary. Are no longer necessary. Right? Are no longer necessary. Whew. That's no longer necessary. Look at the X1 for what it is. From the weekly time frame. So you can see the X1 is still, sorry, Euro USD is still a crazy range from the weekly time frame. You still have we are still having a crazy range, right? And definitely this will be the target. This area here is a target. So we need to see price around this area before any possibility of persecution. Somebody say persecution. Now it's only too much Nollywood here, the Nollywood movies. So we need to see price around this area, then before rejection. Let me check this guy a little high. What's what I want? Maybe a little higher like this. Right, so a little higher. Would have I would have done this. I would have done this, but let me just give it the benefit of doubt and do this instead. So this is, let me make it a little short, slimmer, because we're on a weekly time frame. Yeah, we're on a weekly time frame, so this can get dirtier or rougher. Let's just leave it here. Even if it doesn't make sense, let's leave it here. So this is the XY from the daily time. This is Euro USD, so I keep saying the XY. This is Euro USD from the daily time frame, and you can see the build up. My price is heading towards this resistance, and we'll see how it builds from there. Alright, we'll see how things build from there. Right, see how things build from there. So for now, we just keep a close watch, close eye on Euro USD. And let's keep a close eyes on Euro USD. Price is going up to the upside. So let's just watch and see how truly things unfold on this pair. And let's see how things really unfold on this pair. Let's see. Price get here before the bounce. So 4 hour time frame seems like okay, that's the base are trying to come in. So maybe there might be some pullback. But this movement has been too straight. It's too, is this right? Right, it's too straight. So we need something like this, maybe a pullback before shooting the upside. Right. So this is my Euro USD. I think I'm bullish on Euro with the current DXY. I am strongly bullish, guys. Forget I am bullish. So this was NFP. So although I've been short on Euro USD, mind you, I've been short on Euro USD. Remember I told you guys I was short on Euro USD. Yes, I was, but I had to close before NFP. What was I selling from? Yes, I was selling from around here. This was, I think last week I told you guys that this was like the head and shoulder. I needed to see break, and I think my entry was around here, this area like this touch around the touch of this. Now this guy broke this head and shoulder. Let me just show you guys something. Shoulder and shoulder broke. I locked my trade, went back that down around this area. Just was as removing, canceling all those things around this area. I took some profits, right? So before NFP, when I saw this build up like this, I just closed everything. I closed everything, and NFP did not disappoint by scattering everything, right? Scattering everything. Although it stored one position for me at break even. I always like to leave one position to rally to see if it could go lower, but NFP took it out on break even. So not a bad trade, not a bad call. So let's see. I think currently with this move, you know that Euro USD is strongly bullish, right? You should know that Euro USD is strongly bullish. But I understand some of you might want to now map out this level from here to say, okay, maybe this rejection market is going to come down. But I won't take that really. Personally, I won't want to take that chance. Because from the way the XY is pointing, is looking, this dude is going north, so it's going up north, I would say the XY is the XY is shooting, is showing, means that Euro USD is gonna keep going north. It's gonna keep going north. So I saw it's same thing to GBUSD. No, okay, I just had to plot this trend on GBUSD. I mapped out this trend line on GBUSD because what I noticed, right, although this guy is coming down, but I feel it's just a pullback. Just a pullback, we might still shoot to the upside. So this is GBUSD. And this is GBUSD. We are here. So let's see what happens. I'm going to drop down. So for entries, be patient, right? Might not get the best of entries right now, right? Although if you also look at it again somehow, so this is why I'm yet to take out this guy because to an extent, they might say this guy, I'm being overly careful, but I know I'm being overly careful. Sorry, let me cancel this. Okay, let me plot this properly so you can see what I'm saying. Should I plot this or just take this? I think I'll leave this. Alright, I think this is what I'm looking at. Right, I want to see price at least break out of this trend line before I take it out. I want to see price do something like this. From here, I will now take GU up, right? But I think all this ziggy, I don't want to be a part of it, so I'm just watching, right? So I'm just watching GU to see what happens. All these dramas here, Monday. This is why I would say don't trade on Mondays. So all these Monday dramas, I'm not part of it. So if this guy wants to keep falling, let's clear this like this. Let's clear this area. Let us clear this base. If he wants to keep falling, let us clear this base. Again, I know that okay, it's serious about falling. And but other than that, since EU is buying, since I'm bullish on EU, it's only natural for me to still be bullish on GU, right? So it's only natural for me to also be bullish on GU. So let's just see how things unfold. So all these dramas around here, I'm not doing that. I'm not part of it. So let this clear itself and give me that opportunity to strike, right? To take it out. Right. So that's my view on GU. I advise you guys to also view GU like that way. So wait for the match setup to be matured. I keep saying that. Wait for it to be matured before you take it out. Right. Don't do child abuse. The market is one abusing because you cannot abuse the market, right? So you can see there's something about this market is it's how funny how the market does respect my levels. Does respect my levels. When the levels are plotted, it just respects them. This was the level I uploaded for you guys last week, if I'm not mistaken, right? And so you can see that price respected this area. We got here, and there was a strong rejection on AUD Although I did not catch this trade, so I'm not the one to come and telling you that I caught every move. And I didn't catch nothing. I didn't catch this. I totally and completely missed all these moves. So even though I uploaded this level, so I didn't see it coming happening yet. Right? I didn't see it happening yet. So I know some of you will want to put limiting orders, but all those things are dangerous. Putting limit orders, stop loss at imaginary places and all that. So this is AUD and it's looking good for buyers, right? But I want to wait again, maybe just maybe. Let me see this. Just maybe we might come back down and form some good patterns before we strike. So it's better you leave me and go than for me to be chasing you, right? For me to be chasing the market. That's for me to be chasing the market. So that's it about that. Same thing with New Zealand USD. Right, this guy loves got here. Went this area. This one, I think this one pained me a little bit because I missed this level. We came back. I didn't know that we even came back down again today, being Monday. Came out the area again. So I didn't see it. So I thought I missed it. I missed it. And again, I still missed it again. So but then it's fine. This is New Zealand USD. So I think this guy is gonna go up. Maybe this time I break this trend line. I keep going to the upside. So USD chef. I'm about dropping. Right, this guy is gonna be dropping shit damn at this point to this area before we see any reverse anything new. So this guy is gonna keep dropping babies. It's gonna be dropping babies, right? So USD card, one pair that I like. I think I still say I like it, right? Because that's a way of giving you money when you least expect, right? From it. So from this area, I think this guy is gonna drop down. With what we are seeing here, it's clearly gonna drop down. But how it's gonna do that, when it's gonna do that, is what we don't know. We can say this those who are limit orders around there have been cleared. All liquidity, all stop orders, stop losses, orders cleared out. And that's one thing about a USD card. It it can clear every liquidity you have around anywhere. That's why I don't like it. Don't dare use limit orders on USD card. Don't try it. Using limit orders on USD card. The guy will just chop you and go, chop you, clear your eye and leave you. Right? Those kind of ladies that will chop your money around. That's what USD card is. It will just chop your money around. So you chop your money and came back, came back down, then came back down to keep falling, right? So that is crazy card for you guys. So it's a very crazy pair, right? So now cheap white pairs, like let me talk about. I think I'll be more relaxed a little bit talk about them. Now I know that it is beautiful to be a beautiful catch to see this guy at the tops to the upside, right? So now this was a trend I uploaded for some time ago for us, and you can see that, and you can see that this guy has more like broken that trend, and we are here. I'm kind of hoping for a reversal. I use the word hoping for a reversal because we're actually hoping for a reversal. Why? Because we're actually hoping for a reversal. Let me say something. So this area at the moment is about around about it's almost the 61.8% mark. Right, this area at 61.8% mark, which you think personally, if you must do anything on this pair, don't buy, don't sell. Across shapewear pairs, don't buy, don't sell, right? Because you, but because of the current where shapewear basket is at the moment, it's not the place you want to buy or sell. You want to wait to see a good build up, right? You want to wait to see a very good build up. So don't be deceived by this candlestick you see here. The same thing happened there, and what happened and market crashed down. So this can happen and it can also it can keep crashing down. So we want to see those reversal chart patterns. Yes, those reversal patterns need to clearly happen from these areas for us to be sure and be clear that this guy. Because if you catch this guy to the upside, trust me, you'll be on some crazy money. But if you can catch these guys while they are reversing, while they are going back up, you're gonna be making some. I bet you it's gonna make your year. I kid you not, guys. So this is why you need to be a lot more patient. Right? This is why you need to be a lot patient with this PS, with JPY PS, especially this season. Right? You need to be super patient with this PS this season. Just wait. I know they've made you lose a lot of money. I know they've blown your account. I know you've lost some money, but relax, wait. Right? The market is it's about to get raining. It's about to rain dollars for us in this space. Right? It's about to rain dollars for us in this space. So you want to wait. But I'm optimistic about these guys. I know I'm optimistic about these guys because if you can catch them and hold, my brother, one Nemo. People will say one Nemo in a no in a no Igbo don't time itself. It means that man, you hit it will be like you feel like you hit a jackpot. If you can catch this guy to all the way up, if you can catch it to the way up, trust me, it's more like you hit a jackpot. It's actually like hitting it. You actually hit a jackpot, not like you no longer like you actually hit a jackpot. If you can catch it back, catch it back to the top side, to the upside, you actually hit a jackpot. Right? So this is what I'll be looking at for on this PS. Let me see. This is uh so we don't just benchmark it. We still on the weekly time frame. So it maybe needs to come out west here. We now see those pull those that might take us into this back into this trend. Man, this is the first thought. Second, this is a trend line thought. So it might also pull out from here, but we want to wait to see it really do those things you want to see it do. Right? So personally I'm super excited about what's about to happen in the space. Right? What about for this is for the forex traders? But this is for the forex traders I'm talking about. So JPYPS about to print some big bucks for us. About to print some big bucks for us. But so same thing with so let me clean all this. So this is JPY, JPY. So this is JPY and we hit here, we bounce. So this is a strong level. You know that this is a strong level. I remember when I uploaded this level for you guys. But this is actually a strong level. And this is actually a strong level. You can see price came back there and that's more like a rejection. So let's see what happens from the rejection. Would there be a build up, a reversal pattern? If there is, then it will be good to take. If not, we'll wait. We'll keep waiting and watching until our time would come. Right? So on Euro USD, okay, this is an interesting pair because we actually completed 100% retracement on it. This one, Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, we price was up before. We are up before. So price was completed 100% retracement. You go to this area, 100% retracement, and you can see the reversal already. Price bouncing from this area. So again, I'm not quick to start taking the market, assuming that there's a reversal already. We want to wait to see those patterns like I told you guys before. We want to wait to see those patterns I told you guys before. Let's see those patterns happen. Let's let them show. Let it you can something like this. Like here now, you can see this more like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Under this supposed Forex mastery course, I think it's module 3. Talk about the reversal patterns. So this is an inverse head and shoulders. You can see from there. What happens next? So we need to see those patterns happen. Similar patterns. We need to see more patterns form around this area for us to take the market out. So there's no point to panic. There's no point to be rushing. The day is just Monday. So I just say let's take our time to observe. Let's take our time to observe the market. Let's observe the coast. Be sure that the coast is clear for us to enter. Right? And let's look a bit on gold. Now, notice equities assets across board are bleeding, right? Seriously bleeding. Right? This is because of the shift I was talking about. This was just because of the shift I was talking about. I don't want to stress go so deep around that. So this is now 100, right? US stock and that's 100. You can see how this is playing out. So this is a trend, and as something is about, this guy's always bullish, right? So we've touched here, we rallied up. Now we've touched this trend again. So there's a potential for us to market to reverse and start keep hitting to the upside because that is already currently happening, right? But something I will say is don't panic, enter. Don't do this. You should not just go shoot up. You've noticed something about this that it is one thing about this PS is that it is consistent. It wants to form some compartments that are consistent around there before it should finally start shooting up. So you want to wait for those to see those patterns, maybe like a double bottom or triple bottom before you start going higher. Right? You want to wait for them to happen. So don't just use this single and maybe enter prematurely. Say you just want to enter long time and just buy and hold and see how things unfold. But overall, I think it's about to go. It's market is going to recover, right? This is US 30. Market is actually already recovering. Actually, right? US 30 just went up before, but now US 30 for US 30. One advice is simple: wait for price to hit this level. From this level, you can buy. And from this level here, you cannot buy it. So you cannot buy it to the upside. Now let's look at crypto BTC. Right? This was crashing to it. We touched 49. You can see this was 49. BTC was 49. A lot of persons were panicking and are still panicking. What is going on? Blah blah blah. Everybody speaking English for me and all that. But listen, guys, don't fret. Do not fret. The only time I will personally be scared or may start maybe if you know that there's a weekly break outside this area. Currently, we are still touching this area. If the next weekly candle breaks below, maybe get to this area, that is when I will now start looking at the market somehow. And I will now be saying, okay, just maybe we're about to really hit something. And then this area is what I'm looking at for. This 40K mark, right? Maybe if price ever touches it, then it's bad, right? But since we are still, it's just Monday and market is here, it's nothing to fear, Right? This is not, I'm the last person to panic around the market because we are still, whether you like it or not, guys, we are still in a bullish season, right? We are still in the. I love times say, so that's why are you so confident about this thing? It's because I know, right? So all these things, all these markets crash and all that, it's just manipulation. It's just manipulation to take the weak hearted, to take some of all these weak hands, to take out the weak hands, the weak hearted, take you guys out of the market. So when you guys are going out, are selling on a loss, they are buying back all those your losses. They are buying them, isn't it? The big guys are buying them to accumulate their portfolios. Why? Because trust me, by this time December, a lot of you guys will regret panic selling. No matter where see, I know I'm saying this, guys, right? A lot of you guys who have bought my who run spreadsheet and you are panicking. I'm a success. If you check it, thank God some of you can see some of you can actually see my holdings, and you can see clearly that I have not sold, I have not closed any positions. Right? Although a lot of my some of my holdings are on the rest, and some of them are still holding on strong, right? And I'm still holding on strong. But what I will say clearly to you is this: do not panic sell yet. If anybody, if you're going to sell, I will tell you. I'm going to call your attention to it to sell. But you are not. Don't close any position yet. No matter what you see, do not close any position yet. Do not. Do not. Right? I repeat again, do not. Because this guy is still gonna shoot to the skies. I am holding on to this fact. Because we are still in the bullish season. I'm still holding on to this fact because we are still in the bullish season. If we are doing a bearish season, definitely I won't even waste time to close up positions. I won't even waste time at all. For me to but for me to hold on and tell you and also tell you to hold on is because truly you need to hold on. So let me look at this guy. Okay. It's because truly you need to hold on. Right? So guys, this is my time. So what is next? Hold. Don't panic sell. Don't FOMO out. Don't hold. Right? Hold. Right? Check YPS wait. Right? Across currency PS wait. Right? Let's wait for those reverse. Let's see those clear. I've shown you guys what I'm looking at for on GU. What I'm looking at for on US, these are the only two USD pairs I'm trading. On JPY pairs, on across all of the other JB, JPY, US, JPY, Euro, JPY, these three guys, I want to see those reversal patterns clearly form that this market is about to reverse. If not, I'm still going to be waiting because these dudes are bullish overall. If you look at them from a bigger picture, these guys are still very much bullish, right? They're still very much bullish. From a bigger picture, they are still very much bullish, right? So except price maybe breaks below this area, this green bar, this green area for hand, that's when I say okay, wow, this guy will. But then this area is like the benchmark for me. What I'm waiting for to see. Maybe price might even come down to this area before that reversals we're looking at for, or might even come down to 100% retracement before it's do that, does that. But in either ways, I'm just gonna keep watching. 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 Just gonna keep on watching. I'm just gonna keep watching. Just watching the market move the way it wants till it comes back to me. Come back to me, my love. Ah, the man is John Green in this song, and Kenny Black. Will you come back to me? Come back to me, my love. So that's Again, if you understand this game, if you understand this trading game, it's a patience game. It's not easy to wait. It's not also easy to have money in your on your trading account and money is just looking at you without being actively engaged in the market. A lot of times it's difficult, and I understand, right? But if you, it is better. Look at the cost of a dollar right now. It's over 1.5, guys. Why dollar is over 1.5? You can afford to lose that 5, 10, $20 is a lot of money if you convert it to naira, right? Convert to naira, you know that's a lot of money, right? This period. So this is why you want to. It's better you wait than to go lose it, than to go blow it, right? It's better to wait than to go blow it. So be patient with yourself, patient with the market, like I have been doing, right? But when we strike, we know that we're striking gold, right? So we're going about. I know some a lot of you guys have been complaining about losses. I've been complaining that you've been losing money, you've lost money, blah blah blah. But what I'm asking you to do is just to wait. Let this guy, let's just shape YPS alone. Oh. Let them just form nicely for us, guys. If you catch them, you're gonna make 2 times what you made last year. I kid you not. You're gonna be making more than 2 times, or actually 5 times your money. Whatever loss you've had, you're gonna be recovering 5 times of that. You're gonna be recovering it in fivefold. If only you can wait to see this market mature for you. See it to be ripe for you. Right. So I know it's not easy to wait, but it's actually the best thing you can do for yourself this season. Right? So those of you are buying, also, right, those of you on crypto who are trying to buy the dip, right? What I would say is this, right? Don't just buy everywhere. Don't worry. Don't just buy everywhere. Don't just buy anyhow. Be sure you're buying around the right axis, around the right areas, right? I'm start analyzing that this crypto assets with you right here and right now, right? But all I would say is play safe and be gentle, right? Be patient, and the markets will favor you. See you guys when I see you guys.